Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to animate on CapCut. So let's say I want to animate a character here, right? So I'm going to open my project, press add overlay. I'm going to switch to my photos and choose this character, CJ from San Andreas. I'm going to add this character here. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to place him here. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the diamond shaped icon with a plus button next to it. I'm gonna move the character now outside the diamond red color. So I'm gonna move it here, move a little bit, and gonna be here, and move a little bit away and make him here. Right? So when I play this video, that's what it's gonna look like.
Great sound effect can instantly make.
Right? So that's how you animate on CapCut. Now I can move my character wherever I want. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.